Tesla has officially visited this graphite mine and factory, Nouveau Monde Graphite, in Quebec, Canada, sort of. At least according to the source Electrek. Let me explain. Tesla visit. So according to Electrek, Tesla has recently visited Nouveau Monde Graphite's mine and processing facility in Quebec, as the automaker is increasingly looking to establish a factory in Canada. Of course, we all know Nouveau Monde Graphite. Oh wait, you don't? Well, there is no need to remain a dum-dum forever. You can just check out this video where I go over the entire company and explain almost everything there is to know about Nouveau Monde Graphite. Now back to the article. Back in 2020, NMG released a pretty funny video addressing Elon Musk. This video. And now, a couple of years later, it finally seems that NMG has received the attention of Tesla. Electrek learned from sources familiar with the matter that Tesla recently paid a visit to Nouveau Monde's mine and phase 1 of its processing plant. Honestly, I have no idea how trustworthy Electrek is as a source. That is for you to find out. But if they are correct, this is some noteworthy juice. Of course, Electrek also stated, we reached out to Nouveau Monde for comments on the Tesla visit, but the company said it couldn't comment. And really, that is the main gist of this article. The rest is just some fluff about both Tesla and Nouveau Monde Graphite. You can read through it yourself if you would like, but you're not missing much of anything. Anyways, let's now discuss what this means. And really, this means two things. If this article is true. And again, you do have to decide the credibility of this article on your own. But the first thing is, Tesla is interested in Nouveau Monde Graphite. And that is an amazing opportunity for a soon-to-be graphite producer. Attaching the Tesla brand to your stock will bring a lot of eyeballs to the company. Just look at Cyber resources to find out what I mean. Second, it did mean a short-term pop of roughly 25%, which sadly didn't sustain itself, but NMG still finished the day with a strong 17% increase from its lowest point on that day. And really, that's all this rumor means, assuming it's true. It is not an offtake agreement, it isn't a public partnership, it is just a rumor of an EV company taking a look behind the scenes of a future anode material producer, which, to be fair, is pretty darn cool. Just not something I would FOMO into a stock for. Honestly, to me, it doesn't really change anything about the long-term prospects of NMG. The value of the company is still the same. Only if a future deal or partnership comes from this first look behind the scenes, well, only then would that mean something for the future value of Nouveau Monde Graphite. Until then, an NMG investor should be a patient investor. The company has grand plans up until 2025 and far beyond, and if you believe in the company, you gotta remain confident during this time period and you gotta let the company execute. And that is all I have to add about this Tesla rumor thingy. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Peace.